So I finally removed the tag, the $2 tag. It's a good thing it did not leave a mark, so it's a little dusty. So it's kind of pretty. It's like still like good condition. Supposed to be the thread is over here, and I get it because the thread is just so like ugly. So I just flip it. It's a little bit bigger hole. This one is kinda you don't go through and it's so tight. You need to have a small. And this one has a mirror. And so I just put it backwards. And so that's the bottom. You can always reseal it. So, but I'm just gonna decor this for now. See you later.